Welcome! In this quick guide, I'll show how to turn on Topics notifications on the X app for PC after the latest update. If you've been wondering how to make sure you never miss updates about your favorite topics, this is exactly what you need. Let's jump right in. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all of your personal settings. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu full of icons and text options. From there, click on Notifications. Inside the Notifications tab, look for Settings. This is where you'll manage the types of updates and alerts you want to receive from X. Click on Settings to open the full list. You should now see a section called Preferences. Go ahead and click on that next. Once you're inside Preferences, find the option labeled Push Notifications. This is where you control every kind of notification that X can send to you. Click on Push Notifications to open the detailed menu. Scroll down a bit until you reach a section called From X. Here, you'll see several options you can toggle on or off depending on what you want to get notified about. Look for the option called Topics. It may have a small switch next to it. Make sure that switch is turned on. By enabling Topics, you'll start receiving updates when new conversations, posts, or trending discussions appear about the subjects you follow. It's a great way to stay informed about what interests you the most, without having to search for it manually. That's it. You've successfully turned on Topics notifications on the X app for PC. From now on, anytime something new happens in one of your chosen topics, X will notify you directly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might need help with their X notifications too. Thanks for watching.